Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll, and I'm back with this reliable doll made in Canada. Right now we are cleaning her up for their auction, and I brought out some Boost. It's not actually a Boost, it's OxiClean. I got it, I just used the Boost container. It's easier for me to carry back and forth into the house in the big container all the time, which I leave out in the shop. Because we don't use it in the house too often. If we do, I just grab it then. Alright, so we're going to just go over this girl a little bit with a magic eraser sponge here. Oh my goodness, what's got on you? Okay, so I want to see back here. Well, that took that off. Just going across that forehead of hers. It's just, oh yeah, get the dirt off of there. Oh, that's nice. Now we got some Q-tips here. Let's go into those ears of hers. I should get you down closer here so you can see what I'm doing. There you go. All right, that should help you out there. Not such a distance away from you all the time. So I'm going to go down inside of her ears here, just get some of this dirt out of her. Now if that doesn't work, I also brought this here. These are little Q-tips as well that I use. You can get them off of Amazon. You can get them from, I got mine from Temu or AliExpress. You can get them as well, a little bit cheaper. Well, it takes a little bit more time to get them. Well, now that they have the warehouse in Canada here now, things aren't taking as long, so that's good. You know, so... Well, that's good there. Now let's go up her nose. Yeah, she's got a dirty nose. Gotta pick her nose. Who knows how long she hasn't had a nose picking. Well, that's me wheezing. I'm wheezing right now. I can hear myself wheezing. I was wheezing yesterday. I was sleeping with the dog on the couch, and he started growling at me because my throat was growling, and he thought I was growling at him. And I was like, no, I come in peace. He was looking at me, and I go, actually it was a little bit more rattly yesterday. Believe me, I am doing a lot better. I wouldn't be out here if I was, you know, so. There's a little congestion and whatnot, but that is nil compared to how I was feeling. Nowhere near. I wasn't feeling good at all earlier. I don't know if it's going around or what, but if not, it is now, because I've been staying home, but as much as I can. And I feel better now, a lot better. Believe me, I do. I feel so much better. Like I said, I wouldn't be out here doing this if I was sick, because I couldn't do this earlier. This doll's been sitting here for about over a week, and well over a week, even getting down to 2 weeks, and I just couldn't pay attention to her. I just didn't have anything in me to pay attention. Now I want to get these fingernails here. They're dirty looking. They're in the beds. Well, this one's not too bad. This one here, yeah. Okay, that one's not too bad. You can see the dirt. See, there's a crease going all the way up, right? And that's what that's what I'm looking at. It's that crease. Yeah, it'd be better if I just use my sponge. I think I can get it out better with my sponge. Yeah, that did do something. Ooh, that looks nice. Oh, there's a lot of dirt in between those fingers. Whew. Alright, let's see if I can get in there. There we go. I think she's looking better than what she has. I'm pretty pleased with her. There we go. Just getting in between those fingers, I can see where she needs a lot of work between the fingers. So I'm going to do the same when it comes to over here on this finger, these fingers here. I don't know if you got to see that or not here. Hopefully you get to see here. I'm just going to do that back and forth thing where you just go down in here and just get that dirt out of there. Ooh, yeah. I love doing this for the Salvation Army. It's my way of contributing to them, and maybe they'll make some money on her. We'll give her a nice little wrist tag as well, and make sure she looks really spiffy when we give her to them. And I've done other dolls for them from time to time, but she's an easy one, this one here. This is very easy to do. But there. Now how is her toes looking? Oh, those toes look pretty good. Her toes look really nice. So she's doing pretty good here. I think we got her cleaned up quite nicely. Now it's time to wash her hair, I would say. Yeah, because she's dirty, but she wasn't like filthy. She had her issues, but wow, she's a nice looking doll. Now this is not one I would like in my collection. It wouldn't be, because I don't remember these. I remember seeing them in the stores, but they're not a doll that I played with. Though I do have dolls from this time period, it's because I liked them, I saw them, and I fell for them at the time, or my daughter had them. And that's why I get them, you know. They have to mean something to me here, you know, in that way. But if they're, sometimes, you know, you get, and I want, here's the other thing. It'd be nice if somebody who they say, I had one of these when I was a little girl. And it would mean more to her than it would to me. So, you know, they probably go, oh, that's one of my childhood dolls. And she's sitting there and you pay $10 for her because she's all dressed up. She's cleaned and she looks so inviting. And that's what you want to do is give her a story for this doll. She needs a story. So anyways, thank you for joining me. Thank you for enjoying. I hope you enjoyed seeing her getting cleaned up. Come into my house now and see her get her hair washed. That will be next. So stay tuned. More to come. Bye-bye.